Welcome to our Belgian waffles recipe guide. In this video, we'll walk you through creating the perfect Belgian waffles, known for their fluffy interior and crisp golden exterior. Unique due to their deep pockets which hold syrup and toppings perfectly, Belgian waffles are a delightful treat for any meal. Let's dive into the wonderful world of Belgian waffles. Let's start with our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 2 large eggs, 1 3/4 cups milk, half a cup melted butter, and 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Try to use the freshest ingredients for the best taste and texture. First, in a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, and baking powder. Use a whisk to ensure the dry ingredients are evenly mixed. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs and then add the milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Whisk together until smooth. Gradually pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, stirring gently until just combined. Avoid overmixing to keep the batter light and airy. Let the batter rest for about 5 minutes. This resting period helps the batter rise and creates wonderfully fluffy waffles. Preheat your waffle iron to the desired temperature. Lightly grease the iron with cooking spray or a brush of melted butter to prevent sticking. Pour the batter onto the hot waffle iron, making sure not to overfill it. Close the iron and cook according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually about 3 to 5 minutes, until the waffles are golden brown and crisp. Carefully remove the waffles from the iron and place them on a wire rack to keep them from becoming soggy. Repeat the process with the remaining batter. Finally, serve your Belgian waffles warm with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include maple syrup, whipped cream, fresh berries, or chocolate sauce. Enjoy your delicious homemade Belgian waffles. Whether it's for breakfast, brunch, or a dessert treat, these waffles will surely impress. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. Happy cooking! Join the channel to receive all that is new.